Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today this is an emergency video because the price of Bitcoin is breaking down. As you can see here on the daily time frame, the RSI could go even lower. I mean, it's already low, but we could go even lower as you can see here, okay? So what can we do? Let me show you on the 4-hourly time frame. As I've mentioned in a couple of videos already, we were here in this upwards rising channel, yeah, okay? And once we broke this support line, the white support line here, I told you the next important level to watch is 21.7k, okay? So what happened? As you can see here, let me show you on the hourly time frame. We just, we broke this white line, then we stayed for just a couple of hours at the 21.7k dollar price level. And what happened now, there was just a breakdown. Let me show you in the 5 minutes. We broke down and exactly reached this line here at about 20,900, okay? So the question now is, what could we do trading wise? Let me show you guys. It doesn't look good and we could go lower potentially. As you can see here, we have this support line at 20.9k, and the next one would be down here actually at 19.8. So I mean, of course 20,000 is the $20,000 level is an important psychological level, but as you can see here, the next support is also very close here. And this could be another, let me show you guys, another dump of, we are about here. We could dump more than 7%, crazy, okay? So what you can do now, first of all, I would wait at least that we get 1 or 2 4-hourly candles outside closing below the 21.7k price level, and then we could really enter a huge, or I mean, always do your own research, guys, okay? But then we could enter a huge short position, because then we could make a lot of money in the case that Bitcoin breaks down even lower. Let's see here if you stick around this, or if you form maybe a bullish reversal pattern. Let's see, but it looks like we could go even lower, guys, okay? So this is an really important emergency update, guys. So if you like this video, and guys, if you want to trade, use the links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.